So I'm talking about Google Ads today. I'm talking about why Google Ads are very important and why you should use Google Ads to promote your digital store or digital products and sell more. And I will explain that in this video. So if this is your first time being here, do me a favor and subscribe to this channel so you won't miss any video I drop. All right. So let's get into this video and talk about Google Ads and why running Google Ads or selling digital product with Google Ads could be one of the best thing or one of the best decisions you can take. All right, so let's jump into it. So Google Ads. Now, number one thing I want you to understand is this, and all my videos I try to break it in sections, all right? But this time I'm just going to talk about Google Ads, and I will just talk about things that matter and why you should use Google Ads if you want to promote your digital store or digital products online. And truly, 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 if you want to make money online selling digital products, Google Ads must be part of your strategy. Now, number one thing you have to understand is this: everyone who goes to Google to search for your products, whether they are searching to buy, and most of the times that's what happens, they are searching to buy your products, searching to learn more about your product, searching to know about your business and know if they can trust your business, or searching to know when or the benefits they can get when they buy from you. All right. So, which is why these people are intent customers. They are called intent audience or intent customers. They have the intention to buy or learn about your products, which ultimately is going to lead them to buy your products or buy from your store or become part of your community, whichever way they are searching for you, which is the best audience you can ever get online. Okay. They are ready to take the action. I'm stressing on it just to explain the importance of the audience that comes from Google Ads, which is why you have to understand the importance of Google Ads and do a good job running Google Ads for you to sell digital products and make passive income. Now, let's break it down. Okay, let's take a deep dive into Google Ads and the importance of Google Ads. Now, understanding that this audience is very important is one thing. What you need to do is making sure you are doing it right. And doing it right is number one, making sure you are doing the right keyword research. Okay, when I say right keyword research, is basically not just going to Google to search, but using tools like Google Keyword Planner to know exactly how many people are searching for specific keywords, how many people within a certain period of time are searching for specific keywords. That way, you can be able to collect or select the right keywords and write great ad copies. Okay, it's the selection of the right keywords and writing great ad copies that we get Google to show your ads to the right people. So you are trying to make sure you get in front of the right audience. So understanding this audience and understanding the type of keywords they may be using to search for you will matter a lot, which is why doing the keyword research matters a lot. Writing great ad copies matters a lot. And you can also use AI to be able to do this. Okay. These days it's very easy for you to use AI to be able to come up with great ad copies. If you use the right prompts, you will come up with great ad copies that will kind of help you get Google to show your ads to the right people. So do your keyword research, write great ad copies, and start running Google Ads. But on this list is what you have to do on your landing page or your website. And I stress on this a lot because some people think, oh, they can just run ads, spend money, and send people to any page and it will convert. It doesn't work that way. Understand that these platforms have written very sophisticated algorithms. These algorithms check a lot of factors to rank your ads and show your ads more frequently, at the same time get you the right customers. So everything you do on Google Ads is also competitive and is competition. So understand that there are so many people who are writing the same ad copies or similar ad copies or selling the same product, and they also want to rank, and they could be within your region. So you doing the right thing will get you to stand out, which is why your landing page have to load fast, have to have a very simple and clear explanation of your offer, have the right CTAs in the right places, and it's well designed so that when those people get on your page, they are not thinking of what you're trying to, it's easy for them to understand your offer. It's easy for them to take actions, and your page is loading very fast. Make sure there are no errors on your page and there are no issues with your website. Wherever you're sending your audience, make sure the landing page or the website loads fast and, of course, is secured and everything is well written out in a way people can easily and clearly understand that. And then you have your CTAs where they can easily click and take the right action. So this matters a lot. And if this is fine, they get to your page, they engage, they interact. All this data is sent back to Google. So Google is understanding what is happening on your page, even when people click on those ads and go to your page. So you have to do the right thing on your page so that these people will keep coming back. Google will keep sending the right people to your page and keep ranking your ads so that you will, at the end of the day, get high return on ad spend. So make sure you do the right thing. That's what I'm trying to explain here on your page and with the ad copies for you to be able to get quality leads or quality audience, sell more, and make passive income selling digital products. Another thing you need to understand is setting up your conversion tags. So conversion tags, you have to set your conversion tags with Tag Manager, and that will be linked to your website and of course Google Analytics. So this way, Google is tracking what is happening on your page, and when people convert, Google understanding. So Google will go and target more people like that. Okay, because Google have profile of these people or almost everybody that use Google. Google we understand who is converting and we use that data to send or show your ads to people that are likely to convert more. So setting up your conversions matters a lot. And if you don't set up your conversions right, please don't run Google ads because you will end up spending a lot of money without getting your return on ad spend or making anything spending money on Google ads. So set up your conversion tags and make sure they are firing well before you can run Google ads. This is very important. If you can't do this yourself, reach out to someone on Fiverr to help you set up your Google conversion tags so that you can be able to track what is happening with your ads and be able to get more conversion. That being said, another thing you have to pay attention is basically tracking and optimizing your ads time to time. So when you run ads, you don't just have to stop right there, okay? You have to consistently optimize your ads. It could be a week or 2 weeks and look at what is happening with your ads and try to adjust your ads so that Google will keep showing your ads to the right people or relevant audience. So make sure you're tracking and optimizing your ads throughout the journey. Do not just run your ad and forget about it. You will end up spending a lot of money and making nothing out of it. So that being said, this is all I wanted to talk about this, but I want you to understand that Google is a great platform to run ads and promote your digital products, and you have to do it right, which is why I encourage you to learn more about Google Ads, learn about conversion tags, setting up conversion tags, learn about optimizing your landing pages, doing the right thing on your landing pages before you can start running Google Ads. Google Ads are great. It's very effective platform to use and run campaigns, but you have to do the right thing for you to get the right result. So that's all I have for you today. And if this is your first time, again, I'm encouraging you to check Resell Rights Empire, all right, so that you can be able to join us, learn everything you need to learn about digital marketing, and start making passive income selling digital products online. All right. So I will see you in my next video, and thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.